Hello, my name is Gabriel. On this channel I'm helping with Ascension. In this video I want to tell you how to add energy to the electromagnetic field of the planet, how we can fix the ozone hole, and we will see what else. So if you check out the site Suspicious Observer, you will see, or this guy is talking about the electromagnetic field of the planet, which scientists noticed that since the 1600s it's declining. If the electromagnetic energy of the planet is declining, we are not protected from solar energies, from cosmic energies, and they can. So weak people will feel or will suffer, will have dementia, and their brain cells will actually, your nervous system is affected when we are not protected from the sun. Some people have heart attacks, and overall your mental health can decline when we are not protected from the sun. So if we want to fix this, we have to know, or you have to know, that in this domain, when it's about spirituality, you need to work in this domain. It's not enough to know about this, all right? You work with energies, and you know about Reiki, and you know about all these different things which come with spirituality, about chakras and about your mind, and about, so there is a lot there are a lot of beautiful things that you can learn when it comes to spirituality. But spirituality is nothing more than working with energies, because if you are ascending, then you work on yourself. You're not really, you don't have anything to do with spirits or with energies. When you want to ascend, you work on yourself. But when it comes to working with energy or to spirituality, in this domain, you have to work. So that's why they are called light workers. And you have to know that only who has love can bend the light, because only love can create. So if you are in this domain and life is just not working out for you, and you're blocked, or you are or you notice that you are struggling in life, and the universe is not supporting you, is because you don't work in this domain. Why did you learn about this stuff if you're not working with what you learn? It's like learning to be an engineer, but you don't work as an engineer, but you still want to get paid. So you need to work with what you learned. So in order for you to contribute, or to add to, or to fix, or if you want to fix the electromagnetic energy of the planet, or you want to make it grow back and make the planet healthy again, then you have to do the work, these 2 hours daily, which comes with mantras, or with prayer. Or you have to know that your attention, where your attention goes, energy flows. But you have to know that the mantra or sound is the carrier wave of your intention. So you need to pray, or you need to say mantras in order to send healing energy. As soon as you focus downwards and you say mantras, you send energy to the planet, and that will make the electromagnetic energy of the planet grow. Now, if you know that we have an ozone hole on our planet, or in the electromagnetic field of the planet, there is a hole, they call it the ozone hole. Ozone is 3 molecules of oxygen. If you project, or if you focus on that space, if you see the map of the planet and you see where the ozone hole is, it's somewhere in the north, to the right of Canada. So if you, or not right, hold on, depends from where you look, if you look from up here, it's to the right. in the above the Atlantic Ocean, if I remember well. If not, look it up where it is, yeah. And if you focus onto that place, yeah, and you focus a triangle there, yeah, in your mind, yeah, you focus a triangle, and again you say some mantras. Ho'oponopono is the best mantra that I found because it's one of the most healing mantras that exists on this planet. And if a lot of people use a mantra, it's getting stronger and very solid, so that healing energy from that mantra is very, very effective. Now if you have in your mind a triangle and you focus it onto that place, yeah, you are focusing a sacred geometry where oxygen will align into three bounds of molecules, yeah, which will build up the ozone in that place. All right. And now, if you want, some of you are on the way to be a sun god or sun goddesses. Yeah. For you, you need to imagine that you are on the sun, because if you do your work properly, yeah, your inner work, and you grow as a soul, at one point your soul will take you up into the sun, where you can steer the sun. That's how you will know that you are a sun god or sun goddess, because on this planet we grow up to be sun gods, because this planet is made by God, of course, with the intention to grow, yeah, humans or souls who can hold a sun together. Your energetic field, yeah, your centropedalic energetic field, your heart center, yeah, is an is a centropedalic energy that takes energy from the outside and brings it in, yeah, and that's why how you hold stuff together. So we are very important in this universe, because if you grow up to be sun gods in Orion, in the Orion constellation, there are a lot of suns born, yeah, and that place needs a lot of souls from here to inhabit suns and to give energy to planets to grow biology. All right. So if your inner being takes you up into the sun at one point, that you have to know that you're on the way to be a sun god or sun goddess, from where, if you focus downwards to the planet and where the ozone hole is, it's the same thing. You imagine yourself, yeah, you imagine a triangle into that place, and then there the oxygen will align, yeah, to build up the ozone in the hole where the ozone is missing, yeah. And this is how you work as a light worker, as someone who is in this domain, yeah. To get paid, not to get paid, but if you want to help the planet to grow, and if you want to work and help, and if you are a soul who is working in the universe, there are some stuff that you have to do, you have to work for this, or you have to work, yeah. And this is one type of a work that you can do for the planet, yeah, and for the sun. And for those who missed my last video about being a sun god, yeah, you have to focus, or you can focus onto the sun, that you are in the sun, and work on imagining plants, because plants have energies, vibrations, that if you imagine a plant in the sun, yeah, if you use your mind and to be in the sun, and from there you focus downwards with a particular plant in your mind, the energy of that plant is pushed onto the planet. All right, every plant has a different energy, and you can use the energies of the plant to heal, to clear, to harmonize the energies on the planet. I wish you all the best, and keep up the good work. Take care.